Hey guys, it's OJ Cuber and this is going to be my first video, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of an introduction video because this is my first video. So, let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. We have, let's just move this out of the way. We have the Cheeky Thunderclap 62 millimeter, and what's this guys? Get it out of the box. Here we got the pamphlet. Opened it up. Plastic wrap, my worst enemy. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, let's get it out of here. Okay, so first it does feel kind of loose. It does feel very sandy. It feels very big in my hands because the other ones were out of stock. Let's do some checkers. So slow. So these checkers do look pretty nice. I think I am gonna lube this because it is very sandy. I think overall for a start, this is okay for a budget 4x4. It is sort of locking up a tiny bit. Let's try to do some corner cutting. It can corner cut a tiny bit. Let's see about this side. Yeah, you see it's kind of locking up here, right here. Yeah, so that's not the greatest, but I'm pretty sure I can move this and tension it. Okay, it looks like we have the Introducion Little Magic. So let's get this out of the box. Like how this is in sort of like a cardboard box because it's reusable. Okay, let's try to get this out. Ooh, okay, this looks very nice. It is definitely, oh wow, this is very sandy. Okay, let's get to the twist turns. And the tensions on this are very loose. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to lube this too and maybe put it a little bit tighter. It's very sandy. The pieces look pretty nice if you can see them. Might not show up on the camera, but like overall for a budget cube, it's only $5 on Speak Canada. I think this is pretty good. Looks like we got some standard stands here. And let's see what we also have. We also have some new lunar loot. So when it's up, you see looks like it's pretty gonna make my puzzles pretty fast. And for the size, I think it's really good and for the price. So later today, I might decide to lube these puzzles with this.